Want to speak English in your real life? Not just in the classroom. Let's learn 50 simple sentences you can use in your daily routine from morning to night. Slow, clear, and with gentle repetition. Welcome to the English podcast with Lina. Here, English feels like home. We learn slowly, clearly, and kindly, step by step. Hi, I'm Lina. In this episode, we'll explore 50 useful English sentences that follow you through an ordinary day from the moment you wake up to when you fall asleep. These sentences are real short and easy to repeat. They are perfect for beginner learners A1 to A2 level. Let's begin and let's enjoy each word together. I open my eyes slowly. I turn off the alarm clock. I sit up in bed. I put on my slippers. I walk to the bathroom. I brush my hair gently. I look in the mirror. I take a deep breath. I choose my clothes for the day. I button up my shirt. I eat a light breakfast. I water the plants. I check my phone for messages. I take my keys from the table. I close the door behind me. I wait for the elevator. I greet my neighbor. I cross the street carefully. I smile at a stranger. I buy a coffee on the way. I sit on a park bench. I watch the birds fly. I tie my shoelaces. I write in my notebook. I listen to soft music. I count the clouds in the sky. I talk to my friend on the phone. I help someone carry a bag. I throw trash in the bin. I opened at a window for fresh air. I fold my laundry. I clean the kitchen table. I check my to-do list. I stretch my back and arms. I light a candle. I make a cup of tea. I pet my dog gently. I read a few pages of a book. I draw a small picture. I look outside the window. I hear the sound of rain. I drink warm water. I text goodnight to a friend. I put my phone on silent. I fluff my pillow. I lie down and close my eyes. I think of something I'm thankful for. I feel calm and safe. I fall asleep slowly. Which of these habits do you do every morning? Just type one word or emoji to tell me below. I'd love to know. You've just spoken 50 real English sentences that follow the rhythm of your real life. These are not from a textbook. They are from you, your hands, your eyes, your voice. And that is how you grow one kind sentence at a time. Thank you for speaking with me today. If this episode helped you follow the podcast for more soft and clear practice. Before you go, which sentence made you smile? Just type the number 1 to 50 and press send. Let's speak again soon. Bye for now. Now you repeat.